the truth.
What is going on, Cam fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button right now to join the Cam fam. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I would love for you guys to go on the journey with me. As well as hit that thumbs up button, because it does let me know what you guys do like and do not like. And obviously with the feedback from you guys, it's just going to help me and the channel grow a ton. Last but not least, don't forget to hit that notification button to stay updated with all the new content I will be posting throughout the year. Now, just one more thing before we get into the video, guys. If you guys have not checked out Cam brand, Courage, Ambition, Motivation brand, it is my brand, my personal brand, and I would love for you guys to go check it out. The link's going to be right here in the video and down below with a special promo code for my viewers on YouTube. Now, going into it, guys, if you guys haven't noticed, my audio quality has kind of stepped up a little bit in the past couple of videos. Reason being is because I just picked up the blue Yeti mic, and before I go into it, a kind of a disclaimer. I am not in any way some sort of tech geek in terms of knowing what everything is in here, what it does, and all this and that. I'm going to go into it a little bit and give you my feedback from just a consumer standpoint who just uses it for his YouTube videos. So let's get right into it, guys. And before we go into the unboxing, one thing I do want to let you know is I bought this mic for $50. If you guys know Yeti and the Yeti mics, they range anywhere from, you can find them anywhere from $100 to about $140 retail. I was lucky enough to go on OfferUp and Letgo and eBay. Those are the spots to go, guys, if you guys are looking to purchase something like this on a higher end microphone or more intermediate microphone for a very, very good price. Found on OfferUp, the person that was selling it only wanted the game, and that's it. So the mic was brand new, never used, still in the packaging and everything like that. So I got lucky on it. They wanted $75 for it. I talked them out of it. I lied. Guys, I've been in sales all my life in my professional career, and salespeople lie all the time. So I lied and said, oh, I'm broke. I need this for my studio. All I have is $50. They said yes, so I drove all the way out to Chicago from the northern suburbs, picked up this mic, and was super psyched to get it. Now, going into the mic itself, guys, first thing you guys notice, it is gray, red, with black accents on the dials and knobs. And it's a super dope looking microphone. This is the first time I've seen this microphone. In terms of the colorway, I've only seen the black and red and the blue and the black, I believe. So when this colorway came across, my page on OfferUp, I was like, holy crap, it definitely caught my attention, with the gray and red being the main colors with the black accents. Now in the front, you will see the mute button, self-explanatory, to mute the sound. A little annoying thing though, it is always gonna be lit. So when it's recording and when it's not muted, it will be solid red. When it is muted, it will be flashing red, as you guys could see here. Next up is the master volume, self-explanatory as well as master volume. You're going to turn it down a little bit or turn it up however far you're recording. Or if this is for like the headphone jack, like your input, again, this is from the standpoint of a consumer, not a very techie guy. Underneath that, guys, is going to be the headphone output. So while you're recording and you want to hear yourself, you can put your headphones in and be able to listen to yourself, see where your levels are at, see if you like it, see if you don't like it, and that way you can better adjust to yourself. Also, right next to that, you'll see the mini USB jack, and that is for what reason? No freaking idea. It's definitely for the power cord. I just realized that right now. I am an idiot, but it is for your power cord and anything else that you would need that for, really. Next to that is going to be the threaded mic stand mount, and this, guys, is where you could put your Yeti mic onto a desk mount or a mount in general if you guys want it closer to your face on a podcast or anything like that. And one thing I do want to note is that I have purchased a stand that's coming in on Friday, so you guys will see that unboxing as well. You guys will see the setup as well. So wait till Friday. I'm excited to put a whole setup together, and then after that I'll be doing a entire tour of where I'm living in terms of my mama's basement. On the back, guys, you're going to see the mic gain control. Now, from what my understanding from what gain control is basically the sensitivity to sound. The higher the gain, the more sensitive it is going to be to sound. So let's say if you're in a fairly noisy area, or like how I am, I'm in my basement and I have the AC running in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but if I were to turn the gain up all the way, you guys would definitely hear it. Next up, right underneath that, is the 4-polar pattern selector, is what Yeti calls it. Basically, what this does is pick which setting you would prefer to do your recording in. Now, there are 4 different patterns. First up is the stereo setting. Now, the stereo setting is best for vocals, ensemble choir, and instruments. As seen on the box here, the picture, it is best for all-around sound, in my opinion. Mainly your main voice in front of the mic and the 2 side parts of the mic. So that's going to pick up the best sound. It does pick up sound behind the mic in this setting, but just barely. Next up is the cardioid pattern, and that is the pattern I am in now currently, and it's best for podcasts, voiceovers, vocals, and instruments, and it just picks up voice directly in front of this mic. Next up is the omnidirectional pattern. Now, this pattern picks up sound all around the mic, which is fantastic when you're on a conference call, field recordings, or recording events and orchestras. Last but not least is the bidirectional pattern, and that is best for interviews, instruments, and vocal duets. And it's going to pick up sound from the front and the back of the mic only, not from the sides. So this is best for if you're interviewing someone on a podcast or anything like that, which I have something coming up soon. You guys should check that out later on. Going back into the mic, guys, it's been a fantastic mic in my opinion. I've used it for 3 videos so far, this being the 3rd, and it's been a freaking breeze. It's super easy to use, guys. You just unbox it, put the mini USB in, and plug that thing into your computer, and it's good to go, which is very, very convenient if you don't have a lot of time to set up the right recording studio or anything like that. So it's very easy to use, plug in, and you're good to go. Now, for those of you that are more, I guess, advanced with the Yeti mics and mics in general and sound, I am still kind of experimenting with my sound personally. My voice is naturally deep and has a lot of bass in the voice, so I'm still trying to figure out the best settings for my voice, so that way it sounds the best coming across your screen or your monitor wherever you're watching me from. So it's kind of fun to see where my voice is best at, and I get to mess around the controls a little bit. And FYI, what I use to record on everything is Adobe Audition CC, and lucky this, I finessed it. If you guys have ever been to college or a student somewhere, or a teacher, I still have my student email from college that I purchased Adobe Audition CC for $19.99 a month, but I get Adobe Audition plus every other application that Adobe has. So Photoshop, that's all I know that's left from Adobe, but I have everything now. So that's what I use to record and edit and mix and master my voice on my computer before I attach it to a video. Now, going into the design of the mic itself, it is a very awkward design. For some reason, someone thought it would be smart to be able to move the mic around from front down, not all the way around. If that makes any sense at all, you can't spin this mic around. It only goes up one way and down one way. I accidentally already broke the main wire that came with it, and I broke the little USB parts, so I was a little upset on that, and that was my fault for not realizing it doesn't go both ways, just one way. Just a heads up. Aesthetically, it looks really, really pleasing, in my opinion. This is, a one-of-one color. This is the only color that comes with the Yeti and Assassin's Creed collaboration. And it's specifically made for this collaboration, which is awesome. So I have yet to see this mic on YouTube or on anything that I've seen reviews on or videos on. I have yet to see this color, so I'm very, very excited. I kind of get to have a little bit of a different color than most other people. But that's going to do it for me, guys. If you guys like the content, hit that thumbs up button. Like I said, it does help me out a ton, as well as hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
The truth.